In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot a eToro app on your Android smartphone. So if the app is not working or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix that and get your app to run normally. Now, there are various ways you can achieve this. Now, in the first method, you need to access the app info page, and there are two ways you can achieve this. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. To access the app info page, go to settings, and here's my settings, and then tap on it to open. From settings, scroll down until you find the option called apps, and here it is, and then tap on it. Then look for this option called manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from this list, scroll down until you see your app, and as you can see, mine is here. Alternatively, you can search for your app from this search bar here. If I go ahead and tap on eToro app here, you can see we are on app info page. So that's the longest process to get this. Now let me show you the shortcut method to get to this page. Now in the shortcut method, just head over to your app, and you can see mine is here, and then go ahead and long press on it, and then you'll see this option called app info. If you tap on it, you'll still end up on the same page. So instead of going round with the long method, you can use this shortcut. Now if I go ahead and tap under storage, you can see we have a lot of cached data on our app. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of accumulation of cached files. Now, cache are small files that are normally stored on your app when you use it to enhance the performance or the usability of your app. However, too much of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So what you need to do is to go ahead and clear this cached data. And to do it, go down here and you can see we have clear data. If you tap on it, you can see you have the option to go ahead and clear cache. So tap on this and then OK. And now you have cleared your cache data. From here, proceed and restart your smartphone. And at this point now, your app should be functioning normally. However, if this process didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and use the second method, which is to clear all data. Still under this page, go ahead and tap on clear all data. And this will go ahead and wipe all your data, including all your files such as passwords and usernames and other customized settings that you have on this app. So go ahead and tap on OK. And then from here, you'll have to go ahead and log in afresh with your credentials to be able to use your eToro app. At this point now, almost everything should be okay, and most of the problems should have been solved. However, in case this didn't solve your problem, then we might need to go ahead and update our app to the latest version. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated data. And to achieve this, you need to go to Google Play Store. If you go to Play Store, go ahead and tap for eToro app. And here is our app. If you tap on it, you can see we have an update. So it means the reason why this app has been malfunctioning is because we are using an outdated app, and therefore we can't have the functions or the features that can make this app to run. Now just proceed and update your app, and then this should be able to solve your problem. Once your app has been downloaded and installed, now you'll proceed and open your app, because now you'll have the latest version of your eToro app on your smartphone. So by following any of these methods, your app should be now running as usual. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.